Victory with Ash is designed as a true practical transformation.
What if transformation wasn't just motivation? What if it actually changed the way you live every single day?
Welcome back to Victory with Ash. Today we're talking about something bigger than hype, bigger than temporary excitement, and bigger than just positive words.
Victory with Ash is designed as a true practical transformation.
Think about it. A lot of people watch content, feel inspired for a few minutes, and then go back to the same habits, the same routine, and the same mindset. But real transformation creates action.
It's not only about thinking bigger, it's about building stronger habits. It's not only about dreaming more, it's about moving with purpose.
Imagine waking up every day with more clarity, more focus, and a stronger vision for where your life is heading. Small actions repeated over time can create massive results.
Because success isn't built in one huge moment. Success is built through practical steps that continue day after day.
If you're ready to grow, ready to level up, and ready to become a stronger version of yourself, subscribe right now and join Victory with Ash.
Your transformation doesn't start someday. It starts today.
Thanks for watching this video.